So I'm very sorry. It's been a while since I posted a video, but man, this one, this one's pretty good. I bet you wish you were here. Look at that. Look at that. And now, look at this. I'm not gonna go too close because can't be weird. But what if you were them? What if you were them in this massive what would you call it? Lake, I guess. Swamp. Gorgeous swamp. A beauty.
A beautiful swamp I've ever seen.
Yeah. Huge thanks, credit goes to this guy for discovering this place.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
How many whales do you think are in there?
Oh, let's see. I think I see 1, 2. See it right there.
Right there?
Oh, that's another one. I didn't see that. Oh boy, there's that. Oh.
I think
30,
like 4 or 5.
37?
Yeah.
I mean, we see like 5 at least in this area.
Yeah,
so
if
you multiply that area times 10, you should fill up this whole swamp. So that would mean at least 50. 5 times 10, 50? Yeah, 50 whales.
Well, it's just after their mating season too, so there might be even more.
Oh my. Well, we're gonna have a lot of work to do to save those things. Yeah, stay away from this place, you Japanese. Stay away. Yeah, here at Sea Shepherd, we try and do the best we can. Our boats just aren't fast enough. We get a lot of Bob Barker funding going on, but we need some more. We need more Bob Barkers around in our lives. What have I learned about this painting? Well, firstly, it's quite big, which is excellent, because if it was small, microscopic, and hardly anyone would be able to see it, which would be a tremendous shame. Secondly, and I'm getting quite near the end of this analysis of this painting. Secondly, why was it worth 50 million of your American dollars? And the answer is because it's a picture of Whistler's mother. And even though it looks like she had a cactus lodged up her backside, he thought the world of her. And even took the time to paint this amazing picture of her. And that's marvelous. Well, that's what I think anyway. So here's another angle of what we were looking at up there. And up there, let's see. Right up there, the shadow's not too dark, is where we were sitting. And we got here lightning quick. Not sure how, but that must mean that the hike was just that good. Yeah, we're gonna come back. These people just caught, luckily it was a fish they caught, not a whale. But we're gonna come back and catch some fish. Not too many though. The whales need to eat too. Yeah, or they eat plankton. They have plenty of that.
Yeah. Are you watching The Office? Yes. Can I have those? Thank you. Do you like The Office? No? Hey, Poppy. Yankee, black-eyed Blanky. He's wit. He's wacky. I don't know. I'm not good at rapping.
Rhymes are tacky! Anyways, we're making...
It looks like ground beef.
Bethany's worst nightmare. We're making these, and they're so good. Hopefully they turn out. And this is the crust right there. The ground beef.
The ground beef crust.
They were in stage 2 out of 3, almost done.
Pumpkin.
And Charlie's watching The Office. Did you get that?
I think so, but I don't know if it was recording. Oh, Poppy, you're being so sweet. You're being so sweet. Charlie, maybe let's not eat coasters. Let's not eat coasters. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Poppy.
Can I put this on the table?
Of course, yeah, of course.
Kind of a nice beat going on. So here's a little story. Years ago, I'd say over 10 years ago, mid 2000s, me, my sister Avery, my cousin Bethany, and her brother Blake would go to my granny's house, and ours would be on this menu. We'd be on this menu, and we'd play the bonus features of Alice in Wonderland. I'll show you in a bit. And so we get the full granny's house experience. We have fudgesicles. And this is gonna be a great night. Years ago, and now we're at Bethany's house, and never thought this would occur ever again. So now we're gonna have fudgesicles and do the bonus features.
What you say?
Something, I think it was like a robot from like Castle in the Sky. And I said, this looks really terrible. And Blake was like, I'd say it looks hideous.
You really not want it posted?
Well, I don't care.
I'll take it out.
No, don't worry about it. There we go.
Can you believe it?
No, I totally forgot about it. Do you want to push this against the couch, Ethan, so it's like you can like fully lean against it?
That's okay.
Yeah, of course. You do it all the time.
Here it comes.
Oh man.
Oh, you're here! They're here! They're here! They're here! They were here, but now they're here!
Ew.
Back when tea actually meant the drink.
Making our way by the skin of our hands.
Oh, Russ putting a wedgie.
Ew. Their reactions are like so like you can tell like they were just like, okay, now act mad. Like, you know what I mean?
There you go. Stick out your tongue. Oh.
Can't even tell.
You know how old Alex is? He's a 13 or 13.
I didn't do the Mad Hatter Says because I just want to see the show. So I'm going to stop this because this is almost out of battery. Anyways. And it's beautiful. So tonight was great. These pumpkin bars turned out amazing. To me at least. They were delicious. And we had some pizza pockets. Made these cookies too. And yeah. And thank you to Bethany and to Brandon for this amazing facility that we have to bake in and have fun with. Oh, the bonus features were great too. And happy fall, happy Halloween. Maybe I'll get a Halloween one done too before Halloween. Anyways, whoever has in the back of their mind to do this, do it with your family. You won't regret it.